We can start with writing down your challenge or something you wish to reflect on the back of the page, but if you don't feel like doing it, you can just skip this step. We're starting with drawing a long line in one flow. It's recommended to do it for 3 seconds. I think I did it for a bit longer. I just followed my intuition, and later on you can always add more lines, and it's important to have it open so it's not just contained within a picture. The next step is to make connections. So we're adding those neuron-like connections. It's half of the circle or quarter of the circle. You can use watercolor paint or pencils. In this video I'm using watercolors. And just to give you a little bit of background, this method was developed by Russian psychologist Pavel Piskarev in 2014, and I'm going to link the website down below. The method is quite extensive. You can check it out. There are some courses there and some certifications if you wish to learn more. But for the purpose of this video, I wanted to show you how you can use this method to overcome the fear of white page, and just as a tool to help you relax and connect with yourself. Neurographic or neurographica is often called the art of positive change, and I really like that comparison. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I would love to see your artwork, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram. I would love to connect with you outside of YouTube as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.